to another episode. We just had an amazing boxing session this morning. I'm feeling great. Again, I'm on vacation. We're not in the office, so the setup is just my laptop. Today, I wanted to document a trade that I actually entered yesterday over inside the mentorship group because I know you guys have really been enjoying those videos. Market opened this morning. Let's just say things went very well and I ended up locking in profit on that trade. So we screen recorded it and I'm gonna go back and watch that screen recording with you guys and walk you through this trade, why I entered and why I exited, and look at some member profits. If you're new, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. With that said, let's hop on inside my computer and I'm gonna show you how I made $10,000 today trading in the stock market. All right, I'm gonna pull up docs. All right, so I went ahead and pulled up the trading callout section with inside the mentorship group. And this was the trade I entered yesterday on ticker symbol DOCS. I was looking at DOCS on the day and you can see it was down 12.22%. This was yesterday. Now I do all my work on the 4-hour time frame and you can see docs previously had pulled back and made a new low at 39.92. Now 39.92, that is a level of support that I was watching throughout the day yesterday to see if we broke below. When I saw that docs caught a bounce off that support level, that gave me indication that this setup would be valid for an entry. We entered docs just at the end of the day there. You could see at 354 when I called this out. It was a very straightforward play. Again, I put my stop a couple cents below that support at 39.92, and I was just looking for price to start moving back up toward that 15-day EMA, that blue line right there. I grabbed some contracts at $5 a contract, and I'm gonna play the screen recording from this morning now. All right, here's the screen recording from today, 9:33. All right, docs up 8%. It is time for me to go ahead and lock in profit now that these contracts are up nearly 40%. So I send in a limit order to get filled at $7 per contract. Go ahead, send that in. And you can see we got filled on docs, got rid of my 50 contracts at $7 a contract. All right, I bought these at $5 a contract, $500, sold them at $700 a contract. Beautiful play yesterday when I entered. We entered at 354, I believe. And that was that low formed yesterday on the 1 minute. Docs started pushing, you know, it was up a couple percent pre-market, market opened, and docs started exploding. Beautiful setup, beautiful trade. All right, right away, I went over to the mentorship group, back to the trading callouts, and I let the team know that I'm closing my position on docs. I bought these contracts again at 5, sold them at 7. That's a 40% return. Sent that out to the team. Then I go ahead, as always, I asked the team if anyone got in on docs with me because I love to see, you know, members sending in their profits. Sent that out, and let's see what members have to say. All right, what an amazing trade, outstanding. Head back over. You can see members sending in their reactions. One of our members up $430, another one up $190 or 36%. All right, this is a couple minutes later. Here come more member profits. One of our members making $231 or 32%. Another one of our members making $472. A beautiful trade, a great setup. Again, just a super oversold stock. We found a support level on the 4-hour time frame. We played the bounce, entered this yesterday, locked in profit this morning. I made $10,000 in a little under 5 minutes. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and open my live account here so you guys can see that this is actually not a paper account because I get that comment a lot saying that I paper trade. It's not paper trading. Hang on, it's loading. All right, there we go. But here you go, docs, P&L day, 9,751. If we go to P&L year, just so you guys can see that, like, you know, I wasn't down a ton yesterday and recovered that today. P&L year, $10,000 exactly. That's actually kind of crazy, but literally exactly $10,000. You can see there's docs today. So beautiful trade over inside the mentorship group. Year to date, I am up 243%, so just about 250% on my callouts inside the mentorship group. So that is actually insane. If you had been in the mentorship group since January 1st this year and you'd copied every single one of my trades, each trade, we took all the averages. Okay, winners, losers, I'm up 243% on the year. Hoping this continues. Again, part of trading is losing, so it's inevitable that this winning streak is gonna end and we're gonna have a couple losers, but at the end of the day, we're making sure that our winners are outweighing our losers, and so far, 250% is not that bad. If you want access to copy my trades, I'll put a link below. This isn't a college group. I'm actually going to be teaching you the exact trading system that I use to find these setups. So I'm teaching you how to find the trades that I'm calling out, not just letting you blindly follow me. You're gonna learn the actual skill of trading. It's 12:36. I have to run. I hope you guys did enjoy that little breakdown on this trade. It's hard to do this when I'm not in the office with all my monitors, just doing this on one computer. I hope this cut together somewhat well. But with that said, let's get on with our day. Alright guys, that is going to wrap up today's video. An incredible day, $10,000 profit in the stock market. The team inside the mentorship group was able to get in on that trade. You know, it's crazy to see that, you know, when I'm able to make money, other people are able to make money. Like, that direct impact that my callouts have on someone else's life financially is really something that, you know, no one else offers. And again, click that link below. You can sign up and get in on my next trade. I didn't want this video to be a fat plug for the mentorship. I hope I did help you get one step closer to learning more and becoming a successful trader in the stock market. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. We post a new episode every Wednesday at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So with that said, hope you guys did enjoy, and I will see you all in next week's episode. Later. Which is Alright, ready? Stop. This is too difficult, bro.
Yeah. Cause you're,
why the won't my account open? Oh, I had caps lock on.